Today we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 1, latitudes and longitudes. So the first topic is parallels of latitude. We have already read that horizontal and vertical lines are drawn on maps and globes. However, these lines are not actually drawn on the Earth's surface. If we look at the Earth from space, we do not see any such lines on its surface. Hence, we call them imaginary lines. There are two types of imaginary lines, that is latitudes and longitudes. So we have already read about the different types of lines, that is the horizontal lines and the vertical lines which are drawn on the map or the globe of our planet Earth. So why these lines are made? These are made so that we can locate any place with perfection. That means with the help of latitudes and longitude we can find out where that particular place is located. So, and both these lines, that is the horizontal and the vertical lines, are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines which run from west to east. So latitudes are the lines which run from west to east, that is from this side to this side. The equator is the most important latitude. So which line or which latitude is the most important? That is equator. It is very important. It divides the earth into two equal halves or hemispheres. So with the help of equator, the whole earth is divided into two equal halves. The word hemisphere literally means half of a sphere. So what does the word hemisphere means? It is a half of a sphere. The upper or northern half of the earth is called northern hemisphere. So the upper part or the northern part of the earth is called the northern hemisphere, and similarly the lower or southern half of the earth is called the southern hemisphere. The equator is the longest latitude. So the equator is the longest latitude. The lines of latitude are measured in degrees. So all the lines of latitudes are measured in degrees. They are numbered from 0 to 90 degrees north to south. So all the latitudes are numbered according to, that is from 0 to 90 degrees, both in north or south. The equator is at 0 degree and the degrees of the other latitudes keep increasing as we move towards the poles. So the equator is the 0 degree and the degree of the latitudes it's keep increasing. That is, if we it's keep on increasing when we move from center to the pole, that is north pole or the south pole. The north or the south pole are the 90 degrees. So both north pole and the south pole are the 90 degree north and 90 degree south respectively. There are other important lines of latitude. They are, first is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. So Tropic of Cancer is present in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. So the Tropic of Capricorn is present in the southern hemisphere. Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree in the northern hemisphere, and Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. So these four are very important lines of latitudes